What's up viewers, Eric from Beside. Today we have here a 2017 4Runner TRD Pro. I have a very special front camera that we're going to be installing today. It's made by a company called AZMEE. And what's special about this is it has AI built into its camera. So the camera is pretty big in size, but it comes with a lot of functions where it doesn't just show you what the camera sees, but in addition to that, it can identify objects such as humans and cars and all that, and it will actually tell you if it's coming on towards the front of the car so that you have to watch out for it and so forth. So it gives you a lot more information than just looking at the image. So we're pretty excited about that. We're doing this for the first time. It's from Japan, and no one has this in the States yet. So this is going to be the first car with this front camera. Let me tell you a little bit about the AZMEE camera. So it's programmable. You can use it for either the front camera or the rear camera. And in addition to that, it has an extra sensor with an AI device built into it, which will tell you if an object is coming into your area. If you take your eye off the screen and an object comes in, such as a person that ends up walking in front of your car or behind your car while your camera is engaged, the AZMEE system will tell you that there is something coming, so watch out with an arrow. And this front camera is useful for when you park your vehicle, whether you park in the garage or when you're parking in a parking lot and you don't want to hit that curb, or you want to make sure there's nothing in front of your car if you can't see right in front of it. If you have any questions, please contact us at info@beatsonicusa.com, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.